Do you think your data is safe? Tucked away in the cloud on your laptop or maybe on that dusty USB stick from college? Let me tell you a hard truth. If you don't have a real backup system, your entire digital life is hanging by a thread. Every single day, thousands of people lose years of photos, client files, and irreplaceable work. And it's not because of some elite hacker in a dark room. It's because of something far more ordinary, a spilled coffee. A sudden power surge, a hard drive that just decides not to spin one morning. The real danger isn't just losing your data, it's realizing far too late that you never had a proper backup in the first place. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through building a backup system that actually works, one designed for entrepreneurs, freelancers, small business owners, anyone who can't afford to lose their digital history. Let's start with the biggest misconception out there. Syncing your files with Google Drive, OneDrive, or iCloud is not a backup. That's synchronization, not protection. When you accidentally delete a file on your computer, it vanishes from the cloud too. If ransomware encrypts your folders, your sync service will happily upload those useless, encrypted versions, overwriting your good ones. A proper backup system is all about independence. It means having your data stored in multiple, separate places with no single point of failure. So even if one location is compromised, the others remain untouched and safe. Think of your data like money. Would you keep your entire life savings in a single wallet in your back pocket, just hoping for the best? Of course not. So why are you treating your most valuable files that way? The foundation of any real backup system is the 3 minus to minus 1 rule. It's the gold standard that has protected data centers and corporations for decades, and it works perfectly at home too. It means 3 copies of your data on 2 different types of storage, with at least 1 copy kept off-site or offline. Let's start with step 1, creating your local backup. This is your immediate safety net, the one that rescues you when your computer suddenly dies. Go out and buy a reliable external SSD or HDD. Brands like Samsung, SanDisk, or Western Digital are tested and trusted. This is not the time to cheap out. Choose based on reliability. The day your main drive fails, you'll understand that quality was the best investment you could have made. On a Mac, you'll use Time Machine. On Windows, you'll set up File History. Both of these systems are built-in and will automatically back up your files every hour. You just connect the drive, configure it once, and it will quietly protect your work in the background. But remember, a local drive alone isn't enough. What if there's a fire in your office? What if your laptop and that external drive are stolen from the same bag? That's where step 2 comes in, the cloud backup, and I don't mean just dragging files into Dropbox. I am talking about specialized software that continuously and securely backs up your entire computer to a remote server, fully encrypted. Services like Backblaze, Acronis, or eDrive are built for exactly this. They often cost less than a cup of coffee per month, but they can save your entire career when you're choosing a service. Make sure it offers versioning. That's the ability to restore older versions of your files. Sometimes you don't realize a file was corrupted or deleted until weeks later. Versioning is your personal time machine for your data. Now for step 3, encryption. Your backup isn't truly safe if anyone who finds it can just open it. If that external drive gets lost or stolen, everything on it is exposed. Use the built-in encryption tools on your Mac or PC, File Vault and BitLocker. These make your data unreadable to anyone without your password. The goal is simple. Your data should be readable only by you. Let's talk about automation, because a backup system that relies on your memory is a system that is destined to fail. You'll forget, you'll get busy and postpone it, and when disaster strikes, you'll be filled with regret. Automate everything. Let your local backup run every hour, and let your cloud backup run continuously in the background. All you have to do is check once a month to make sure both are still running smoothly. Here's a pro tip. Label your drives. Have one called Daily Backup and another called Monthly Archive. Rotate them. Keep one connected for your automated daily backups and store the other one safely in a different location, maybe at a family member's house, a safe deposit box, or your office. That is your true, untouchable off-site backup. Now we come to the most overlooked part of any backup strategy, testing your restore. Most people set up their backups and just assume they work. That's a huge mistake. A backup isn't a backup until you've successfully restored from it. Testing is simple. Once a month, pick a few random files from your backup, restore them, and try to open them. It takes 5 minutes, but it confirms that your entire system is working as it should. And don't forget your phone. Your phone probably holds more recent memories, messages, and photos than your computer does. Back it up too. Use Google One or iCloud for daily syncs, but also make it a habit to export a full encrypted copy to your computer once a month. That way, if your phone is ever lost or stolen, you don't just get your contacts back, you get your life back. If you run a business, your backup plan needs to be even stronger. Automated server backups, off-site replication, and role-based access controls are non-negotiable. Never ever rely on one employee's device or a single shared folder. Entire businesses have gone bankrupt because they trusted a single laptop. If you store customer data, legal files, or financial records, your backups must be encrypted both in transit and at rest. This doesn't just protect your data. It protects your reputation and keeps you legally compliant. Let's talk about ransomware for a moment. It's one of the biggest digital threats today, and a solid backup is your only real insurance policy. If ransomware hits, the only safe way to recover is to wipe your systems clean and restore everything from an untouched backup. Without one, your only option is to negotiate with criminals who already have full control of your files. This is precisely why having off-site and offline copies is so critical. No hacker can encrypt a drive that isn't connected to the network. A professional-grade system has layers: local backup for speed, cloud backup for geographic distance, and an offline drive for total immunity. Together, they form a shield that's nearly impossible to break. You might think this sounds like overkill, but the companies that survive major cyber attacks are the ones that quietly put these systems in place years before disaster struck. Every data breach story follows the same pattern. Someone somewhere assumed it won't happen to me until it did. The good news is, once you set this up properly, it runs itself. You'll barely even notice it's there until that one day when something goes terribly wrong, and you realize you just saved yourself from losing weeks, months, or even years of your life's work. So let's recap the mindset you need. Don't think of backups as a technical chore. Think of them as insurance for your digital life. You insure your car, your home, your health, why not your data, which is just as valuable? The difference between a smart professional and a careless one isn't luck. It's preparation, and backups are preparation in its purest form. Start today, pick your local drive, choose your cloud provider, and set up your encryption. Automate it, test it, that's it. And if you want to learn how to secure every other part of your digital world, from passwords and phishing to data leaks, subscribe right now. This channel is here to help you build digital systems that work, protect, and last, because cybersecurity isn't just for experts anymore. It's for everyone who has something to lose. Don't wait for disaster to be your teacher. Be smarter, be safer, and build a backup system that actually works. Follow the Sergiu Popovici channel or you may never see this again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.